Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to the video. My name is Judd Albring, and I'm going to talk to you about ClickFunnels Backpack. So if you are currently selling products, services, whatever it is, and you want to scale massively and grow and add an affiliate system, then Backpack is for you. So this is a program where you can obviously set the percentage, set the cookies, and have people, have affiliates promote your products. So really help you grow your business. And there's a lot of ClickFunnels affiliates who are creating their own products and courses and using Backpack to do it. So it's pretty amazing, super simple to use. As I say here, Backpack is the easiest way to create your affiliate program and scale your business. I will put a link below, guys, where you can check it out and get more information. But if you are looking to scale your business, you do want, you're a ClickFunnels user, and you want to scale your business, you want an affiliate program, get on Backpack. And you also get Actionetics with that. So when you go for the full suite, which is $297 a month, you get access to Actionetics and Backpack. So that's a pretty darn good thing. And sticky cookies is the cool thing, because if you know anything about ClickFunnels being an affiliate is, let's say somebody clicks on now and then doesn't buy for a while, doesn't buy for a while, doesn't buy, and then 6-7 months down the road they buy, then you get paid. Your affiliates love that. And that's how you're going to get more people on board to want to promote your product, as long as it's a good product, of course, and they get good commissions. So I will send you a link to that and put a link below. Thank you so much for watching. I am an affiliate for ClickFunnels, and I have been using the software for 3 years. So if you do end up buying ClickFunnels, I do appreciate it. And thank you so much. Please like, subscribe, share, and I will put this stuff here so you guys can get more info on Backpack. Thank you.